deck is completely shuffled. I ask my spectator to select any card. They select this. In fact, what I'm actually going to do is have them, to make this trick even better, I'm going to have my spectator sign the card. Just like that. So as we can see, my spectator has now signed their card. Now what I'm going to do is simply fold their card in half, and like this, and just like this, I'm going to simply rip the card just like that. And now we have 4 different pieces of the card. Now I'm going to take the card and reach into my pocket to get the Sharpie. And all I have to do is tap this, and the card is magically restored without any rips. And as you can see, it's their signed card. There's no secret moves or anything. Tell me if you caught these moves on camera, because it's really hard to do on camera. But that is their card. They signed their name right there, and that is their card. Card restored. Amazing trick. Go try it now. See if you can find out the secret.